to Breatharian Travels. I'm Trapman G and I'm currently in Pi. I'm also on day 1 of my 6-day food fast. And I know what you're thinking, a breatharian, well, what are you doing eating? Now, I don't see anything wrong with a breatharian eating food if he wants to, or she wants to. When I'm in the waking state, moving, talking, and out of what I would call bliss state, which I entered 7 years ago in my first Kundalini awakening that I remember of this lifetime, which left me in just a bliss state. All 7 chakras, my root, my sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, crown. The feeling was like a full body orgasm through each chakra point. I was meditating for 4 hours, and it was when I used to meditate for up to 8 hours a day. And on my sleep quota, well, it still is down to about 4 hours a night, which is good because I spend the rest of the time in the morning and the evening meditating. So over the next 6 days I'll be taking water, marijuana and kratom. So still drinking, and marijuana, which I mainly vape but sometimes will still burn, I find helps me in meditation, and also helps me to fast and go without food, without the need for food. It also helps me focus on my chakras, and I'm meditating and I can feel the energy in the points. I am going to show you some buoys that I remember that are out in the sun. Now these buoys, I'm not sure what these are, but these are going to be sun-dried buoys or bananas. And buoys need to be in the sun for half days or 5 days. Weng Song Sam Si Ha. Sun dried. Take them in at night to avoid ants and insects getting on them, and out in the sun, and the Thai sun, hard days, and you've got sun dried bananas, which is amazing. And the owner of where I'm staying's father, the kratom farmer, he has his own buoys. So he has buoys, he has kratom, marijuana. It is amazing. Now I am gonna, over the next, this video now, it is Monday the 18th of March at 3:20. This video I'm going to be putting out tonight, and I'm going to be putting out a daily vlog every day. It's going to be what I'm striving to, aiming to. The footage that I already have from when I was in Thailand November, December, and also from this trip January, February, I am going to be putting up when I'm back in the UK, because there's too much footage for me to go through it all while I'm here. For the next 6 days I'm going to be spending meditating, getting everything back in alignment, meditating when the sun comes up and the sun goes down, trying to get into a state of 24-hour meditation. I'm going to be still intaking fluid, as I said, water, kratom and marijuana to keep focused. And sun-dried bananas, that's one thing I've suddenly popped in my head. This is boys after 5 days. These are what they look like. So these are sun-ripened boys of bananas. So yeah, I'll be exercising as well. Meditating, exercising, and I'll be looking at putting a video out every day, and I'll continue to do that. That's what I'll be planning. So all the best. Please subscribe, like, share the channel. Breatharian Travels. I am a breatharian. I choose to, in my normal life, when I'm eating, I say normal life, I mean I eat vegan when I'm not fasting and meditating solidly. I will eat vegan. If I'm in the meditating state or in the bliss state, meditating, you know, if I'm just meditating, I don't need to eat while I meditate. It makes sense. So as long as I meditate, I'm not eating. But these 6 days fasting, today's day 1, Nguyen, and I'll be putting this video out tonight. So the film from now will be out tonight. So I'm going to go off to get some ice for the kratom, and I'll be back in a bit. And this is home brewed kratom from where I am, the farm. It grows out the ground, the kratom trees. Okay, in a bit people. Peace. Trapman G out. Okay, I'm going to allow myself 1 leaf, Nguyen kratom leaf per day. Don't swallow, you just chew the leaf, and it gives you the energy. And as soon as I live with the guys, the little leaves, the trees, I'm going to allow myself 1 per day. So let's pick a leaf. Pick a leaf, any leaf. Oh, actually no, not any leaf, not the top leaves, not obviously the best leaf. Take like a leaf that's been, you know, ant-eaten, possibly, or like a bottom leaf. This leaf would be fine. Let's take that one. And Nguyen kratom leaf.
you.